Hi everyone and welcome back to my final morning report charts appraisal on Tuesday 29th of September with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. Let's look at gold, and we've basically seen this gold price sliding away. You've retraced all of that move pretty much that we had from Thursday last week, that strong bull move that questioned that big downtrend. But again, the sellers have come in and they've just been consistently selling it off over the past couple of days, really, 3 days. You're now seeing the momentum indicators turn lower. RSI pretty much suggesting that we are going to get a test of that low that we saw at 121 figure. Stochastics turning lower as well. So pretty much everything is sort of pointing towards further downside and a test of the supports. Lower highs and lower lows. This is the hourly chart. Lower highs and lower lows across the board here in the past few days. Momentum indicators going negative, so you'd say that rallies are a chance to sell, I think, on this gold price back towards 121 figure. Now there's a pivot level that you could argue around 1140, which was old resistance became new support, and then bang. So that is your resistance. So that's your level I would look at as sort of the limit for a rally. If you start to see that rally through 1140, then that wouldn't be great. So I think that would be your limit for a rally if there were to be if one were to be seen. But I think further pressure on 1121, then subsequently if that were to be broken, then you're sort of looking back towards the lows again. 1098 would be initially, but obviously you've got 1115, which is again a bit of a pivot level. 1115 initially, but I think ultimately if you do see 1121 broken, then you're sort of looking back towards the lows again as a likely move, because once you do see the selling pressure come through, it does tend to move, and that would be your sort of 1121 is your last sort of realistic support on the daily chart before you get back towards 1098. So I wish you good luck in your trading on gold today, and I will speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.